We've got a pretty good setup. Our downtown live weather bug camera from Distillery District pointed over toward downtown. Looks good. The fog Chris was talking about is mainly an issue in the mountains. Down around Harlan, you've had some areas of dense fog. Most of us not impacted by it. Bit of patchy fog a possibility. And if you look, the max track is clear. Here's the active storm track. Showers and storms have been swamping central Indiana from Indianapolis down through southern Illinois and all the way northeast up into Cleveland, then extending out through Buffalo. So that's where the action is. It's part of this approaching frontal system, and this cold front will drop in here later on today, and as it does so, spark isolated showers. Can't rule that out, although most folks won't be impacted, and also bump cloud cover up slightly. We'll go from mostly to partly cloudy. Tomorrow, warm front lifts north. We'll take a crack at 80 degrees. We'll have more sunshine to work with. Beautiful day, just not feeling much like late October. Here comes a cold front. This will actually cut through the Commonwealth. So Friday afternoon, Friday evening, scattered showers and storms on the rise, and then a cool down as you get into Saturday. We're probably going to get knocked down about 10 degrees as far as the highs are concerned. We are in the 50s right now and 60s, low 60s in Frankfort. So this is the upper level setup. We'll show you this periodically. It shows where the very cold air is locked up in the upper levels, and it gives you an indication when you may see some of this colder air breaking off and heading south. And what we're seeing right now is all that cold air locked up toward the U.S.-Canadian border. There's a trough digging in this weekend. A more significant trough, though, does try to start to dig in early next week. And notice where it's starting to dig in. It's over the Pacific Northwest and out west, and eventually that colder air does look to translate east. The question is, how far east will it make it, and how modified will it be by the time it gets here? But I do believe we may be starting to see the beginnings of what could be a more significant shot of colder air coming in. Now, this is Monday toward the middle of next week. I mean, we're ways out there, but it's something to keep an eye on. And you do notice temperatures by next Tuesday, the lowest that you're going to see on this graphic, but at least for the next 3 days, there's nothing cold about it. Mid to upper 70s today, upper 70s, the low 80s possible. Tomorrow, maybe even into Friday, depending on when those showers get in here. And as far as the forecast goes for your area, you notice the rain chance bumps up here in the bluegrass, 20 to at times a 30% chance. That's that isolated shower possibility. We're generally mid to upper 70s here in bluegrass counties, all the way back to Bardstown, a high of 77. If we pop out into our eastern counties, upper 70s to low 80s seems to be the trend, an 80-degree high in Campton. Head out to Flemingsburg, Maysville, you guys are in the upper 70s. And if we drop south and east, it's more the same. It's just warmer. Highs around 80, even some low 80s. 81 in Hyden today, Hindman, 80. 79 in Whitesburg, and some upper 70s to low 80s for our lakes region as well. So it's going to be an unusually warm day, a nice day, but just watch out for that isolated shower chance. Tomorrow, much the same, just a little warmer and more sunshine will nix that isolated shower chance. And then into the weekend, here comes trouble. Scattered showers and storms late Friday, overnight. I think once we get past the morning shower Saturday, the rest of the weekend should be fairly quiet. We'll rebound 60s to 70s, more storms, and then that potential cool down toward the middle of next week.